Then we come to exercise 1.1. Here we have been given question number 1. So place comma in the following numbers according to the Indian number system and then write the number names. So we have been given the digits, so we have to place the commas, then we have to write the number names. So as we have already discussed that we need to take the tabulation of place value chart. Well, it is not necessary, but as for your convenience I am explaining you can directly use the system that first comma after 3 digits from right, then after next 2 digits and then next 2 digits and so on. So that what I have done here over here, I have taken the tabulation and from the right I have taken last 3 digits in the ones column, then in thousands the next 2 digits, then lakh next 2 digits from right, then so on crore and arab. So now I can write the digit easily by placing the commas accordingly. As per the columns I have placed the commas and I can read out the number easily. 25 arab, 42 crore, 58 lakh, 96,310. Okay. So next comes, now we have to write in words. So according to the commas we can read out the numbers. So 25 arab, 42 crores, 58 lakhs, 96,000 and 310. Okay. Then we are having D part. I have taken D part of it. So here again I have taken the place value chart table and placed the numbers accordingly. From the right, last 3 digit in the last column, that is ones column, then in thousands next 2 digit from right and so on. I have placed the digits in the place value chart. Now I can easily read out the numbers and place the commas accordingly according to the columns I have taken over here. So this will be our, according to the commas I have written the digit number. Then to write in words. So now easily by seeing the place value table I can easily read out the number 2 arabs, 81 crore, 35 lakhs, 78,624. Okay, and so we can write that. So this is the easiest way to write the numbers in words by using the place value table over here, the minimized place value table. Next we are having question number 2. Place the comma to the number, given number according to the international number system. So we have been given this large number over here and we have to place the comma here. So first we need to place comma, then we will write them in words. So here we have been given. So again I have used this place value chart table. So I have placed last 3 digits from right in the first column, then in thousands column next 3 digit and then next 3 digit from right, and at last the single digit remains, that is 1. Now we can easily read out the number 1,05,468,794. Okay, so we need to write in words 1,05,468,794. Here you need to be careful, students, about one thing, that while writing in Indian system, we after the group of 3 digits from the right, last 3 digit, we take 2 digits and we read as the number as ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. But here in international system, how we read the numbers? Ones, tens, 100, then 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. In Indian system we do not take 100,000. After 1000, 10,000 we take lakh. But here 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Then million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, then billion. Okay, so you have to be careful about these, the difference between Indian and international system place value chart. Okay.